everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of Epic Games of all devices. To log out of your Epic Games account on all the devices, follow these steps. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in epicgames.com. Make sure that you're signed into your Epic Games account by entering your credentials. Once logged in, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile picture. From the menu, select Account. Within your account settings, from the left-hand side menu, click on Password and Security. Scroll down from the Security option and get to Sign Out of Everywhere. Click on Sign Out of Other Sessions and enter your security code in the text box. You will receive your security code via email. After you type it down, click on Sign Out of Other Sessions. Right after you do that, you will then be able to log out of your Epic Games account on all the devices where you were previously signed in. This action will log you out of the devices, including the one you are currently using. So that is how you can easily log out of Epic Games on all devices in just a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.